Satyo, welcome back. How are you all doing? So coming back to in front of you with the topic coding and decoding, as you all people have seen my first video of coding and decoding, which is really helpful for various competitive examinations like UGC, UPSC, RRB, SSC, banking examinations, as well as some regional, local government examinations. And this is really very helpful for the corporate, campus recruitment test generally, which will be conducted during the entrance or during the placements. I hope you clearly understood. Yes, Savio. So moving forward with few questions. Before going into the content, kindly subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the more updates, so that you will be getting more videos in future which I am going to get update. Isn't it? Yes. So before going to the channel, you just subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for the more updates. You will be getting the more information. You just subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for more updates. So moving back to the first question. So you can see here in certain code, truth is coded as SUKSTV and the same code false, how it will be written as. To try to understand the question, in certain code they have been written as truth as written as SUQSTV SUGI. So in the same code, how it will be written as false? How false will be written as? So try to understand, friends. So first of all, you should know what is the logic behind. Here we have only 5 letters. Here we have 10 letters. What does it mean? For every letter in the first word, we have logic for the 2, isn't it? So what could be the logic? You can find out the logic here. So as you all people are know, A, B, C, D, we have a coding up to Z. So A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2, C is equals to 3, D is equals to 4, Z is equals to 26, isn't it? So try to understand what could be the logic here. So here we have ST, it is nothing but T, what is the relation between T and S? T minus 1 is equals to S and T plus 1 is equals to U, isn't it? Minus 1 plus 1. In the same way here we have the minus 1 plus 1 here, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1. So this concept is nothing, minus 1 plus 1 is the logic, isn't it? Now go for false. False, again we have minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1. In the same way, what could be the false? False, wait a minute, here I am writing just F-A-L-S-E. So false. So false, F minus 1 plus 1, isn't it? Minus 1, it will be E, G. A minus 1, it is Z. Again back, from the first, you have to go. First letter is 1 and minus 1, it will be the 26. Again back, repeating, kind of recurring things. So A minus 1 is equal to Z, isn't it? Yes. A plus 1, it is B, isn't it? L minus 1, it is K, K, it is M. It is Q, it is R, it is T. Again it is D, it is F. So the final answer will be like E, G, Z, B, K, R, K, M, R, F, something like this. Are you getting understanding? So R, D, F, D, F. So it could be like E, Z, Z, B, K, M, R, R, T, D, F, isn't it? Yes. So option B is the right answer. E, Z, Z, K, M, R, T, D, F. E, G, Z, not B. Option C is the right answer. E, G, Z, B, K, M, R, T, D, F. I hope you understood, right? Minus 1 plus 1 is a logic. Minus 1 plus 1 is a logic. Yes. Moving forward, in a certain code, Spring is coded as, you see how mobile will be coded as. Are you understanding? So you go for homework, solve and put it in the comment section. Comment the answer. Credits, for every correct answer you will be adding with 1 credit. So which will be added in, we are going to add these credits in the cash prize examination which we are going to conduct in future. Yes. In certain language, Be Quick is coded as ZD Oscar. Then sentence, then the code of the last letter of the third word of the sentence, I love my country. So try to understand the very interesting question. Be Quick as written as ZC Z, C, Osgai. So what is the logic behind the letters? You can just find out. So you can just find out the logic is simple, minus 2. Minus 2 is the logic. E minus 2, A minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Isn't it? In the same way, so now the question is, I love my country. I love my country. So the code of the last letter of the third word of the sentence, I love my country. First of all, we should know what is the third word. Third word is nothing but M-Y. My. And the last letter. What is the last letter? It is Y. Are you understanding? So the letter Y, now the code is equals to Y minus 2, which is W. Which is W. Option D. Yes. In a certain code, Delhi is written as CCID, then how will be the Bombay written in the code? A very easy question. Try to understand the logic first of all. So Delhi is written as CCID. CCIDD. So the logic. So what could be the logic here? You can find the logic here. It is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Yes? Minus 4, minus 5. Simple logic, isn't it? So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now try to get the same answer with the Bombay. Yes? Find the logic and give the answer in the comment section. Please comment the answer. In a certain code, gold is written as home, comb is written as John, and cord is written as Joes. How would you code sons? So try to understand, there is some kind of logic. What is he saying? The gold is written as home. Isn't it? Again, comb is written as Don. Cord is written as Dos. Now try to understand how the sons will be written as. So it is like GH, we have a concept called a plus 1. It is same. It is plus 1. It is plus 1. Isn't it? Again here we have the concept plus 1. Again same. Plus 1. Again same. Isn't it? Plus 1 same. Plus 1 same. Isn't it? Here we have plus 1 same. Plus 1 plus 1. Again what is the logic here? It is plus 1 same. Plus 1 and it is plus 1, isn't it? Here we are getting, see, this is the first, the second, again it is the third, now it is the fourth. So if you observe the first and third is the same, automatically the second and fourth should be the same, isn't it? Yes, the second and fourth should be the same. So what will be the logic? Plus 1, same, plus 1, same. So S plus 1, it is 2, T. It should be same, O. It should be N plus 1, again it is O. Yes, S should be same, it is 2. The answer is 2's. 2's is the answer. I hope you understood. Yes? Yeah. In the certain code, poetry is written as whatever it might be, or is written as P and equal to, then how will be the more written in that code? So comment the answer in the section. Yes. In a certain code, bound is written as APQN and lag is written as KBLP, how will be the grade written in the code? So try to understand, bond is written as, APQON. Are you understanding? And lag is written as KBBLK. If you observe here, the last digits are same, isn't it? Yes? In the same way here, grid. How the grid will be written as? So again it will be same, the last digit will be the same. So what is the logic that you have found here? Try to understand. The first letter is minus 1. So automatically it should be the minus 1, isn't it? Again if you observe here, cross. Now please try to understand the question. Yeah, you can see here it's plus 1. It is minus 1. It is plus 1. Isn't it? Yeah, if you go for here, plus 1. So it is minus 1 again. It is plus 1. Yes. So in the same way, again, it is plus 1. It is minus 1. Yes. And it should be the plus 1. It is E. So F shed is the answer. F shed. We have F shed. Option D is the correct answer. Yes. If the Bombay is written as M by M by M by, then code for Tamil Nadu is written as. So try to understand Bombay. Bombay is a 6 letters digit. 6 letters, isn't it? So the equally 3 of 6. The 3 and 6 is repeating here. Try to understand. 3 and 6. M by is repeating twice. Sorry, it is thrice. Yes. Now, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is 9 digits. 9 digits, isn't it? Now try to understand. It is the third place, 6th, and it is 9. It should repeat twice. Since to get the logic, the third position, 6th position and 9th position should repeat twice. So to get the same logic. So option will be MNU. Yes. Again it is MNU. Repeated thrice, isn't it? So in order to get the logic, it should repeat thrice. Yes. In the certain code, Madras is written as ARS, then how Arcanum will be recorded as? Try to understand. Madras is written as ARS. Madras is written as ARS. Repeated again twice. What does it mean? Again he has written Madras right for twice. You can find it ARS. What does it mean? Even digits together. Okay. Same. Now write the Arcanum. Yes. So you can just look now forward. So ROAAKNM. Yes. ROAAKNM is the right answer. Just pick the even numbers, you will be getting the answer, right? Yeah, going back. So, in certain code pond is written as RSTL, then how here will be writing as? Please comment the answer. In a certain code, telephone is written as anophyllent, then how will the alligator written as? Telephone is written as allophone. Simple logic, reverse logic. You write all the digits in the reverse. You will be getting this. So now alligator, alligator for alligator, what could be the reverse thing? ROTIGILA, Rotagila. So Rotagila is the logic. Yes, in certain code, inactive is written as Witkind, then how computer will be written as? Try to go for it. Again, inactive. Inactive is written as Witkind. So what is doing? The last digit is same. So putting together, everything become reverse. Isn't it? Yes. In the same way, computer put last digit as same. Now just repeat. ETUPMOC. So option ETUPMOC or option B is the right answer. So in certain code, cat is written as sats and deer is written as seer. Then how could the things written as? Please comment the answer. Comment it. So in certain code, system is written as sysmet and nearer is written as any error. System, you try to understand the logic. System has written as, please divide it into 3, as written as sysmet. And nearer is written as AENRER. What does it mean? Just divide it into off and reverse. Just reverse. Isn't it? In the same way, fraction. Just divide into the off and you just write for the reverse. Now, carf, NOIT, carfnoid. So, carfnoid, option A is the right answer. In the same way, you just solve, you solve the Kaveri is written as Vakiri. In the Mysore, how it will be written as? So, solve the answer and please comment the answer. Comment, don't forget, credits will be added to you. Don't forget. Chalo. With this, we have concluding the session. Just subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for the more updates. So you can get more information from our channel with regards to UGC NET Paper 1 and other competitive examinations. Thank you. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.